Nothing where you go do. I am talking to you
I'm fine.
Any question I will do?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hit.
Brother Shaggy, what's happening here?
He carry this car, go carry guests for club, go here for night. When he come back, the brake pad, he can't affect the refrigerator of the brain box. Even the spinal cord belt of this car. Spinal cord belt? You don't know.
I thought my call soldier for you. You bring back my car.
I don't want you where. Last time this where I call my boy for area for here. They go beat it to stupid.
Excuse me, sir. You mean you've not heard of Car Doctor? It's a new device that allows car owners run diagnosis on their cars from their smartphone. Sir, it is easy to use and it saves you from being cheated by this mechanic.
I'll get it.
Okay, come out for here, John. Yeah, that Car Doctor where would you always see for you?
I remember that doctor came here yesterday. He come the face say we never repair a car since last year.
Thank you.